So in a nutshell, StoryPal Reloaded allows you to create visually engaging stories. Just like you have stories on Instagram, you are going to be able to create visually engaging stories. But this time around, these stories are for the open web. These are stories that can show up on your website, as opposed to Instagram stories that only show up on Instagram. These kind of stories are stories that are not limited by timelines. You are going to be able to show them on your website. These stories are created using Google's technology, referred to as AMP. AMP means accelerated mobile pages. So as opposed to people just reading normal articles on your website, you are actually going to be able to put together visually stimulating stories that ensure that you can engage with your website traffic. It ensures you can engage with your website visitors. Nowadays, people have very short span of attention, and people are really not patient to go through an entire article on your page. But if you can bundle this article, if you can bundle your content into visually stimulating stories, this will basically skyrocket your conversions and ensure that you can engage with your website visitors. If you are going to be getting this, and if you are someone like me, you are going to be thinking of ways to actually make money with StoryPal Reloaded. And the good thing is you can actually promote affiliate offers using this technology. You can insert buttons, you can insert videos, you can insert images, and you can actually put in some animation effects and so on. And this ensures that you create the engagement and, most importantly, make money using these AMP stories. So once you log in, the first thing you are going to be prompted to do is to add your subdomain. And once you've done that, you should be on this page, and your dashboard should look like this. What you want to do is click on Add Project, and we'll give our project a name. Let's give it project, and let's give this so you're going to give it a project title and a slug, which is like a URL where your project is going to be sitting on, and you click on save. And you're going to see that this has been added. The next thing you want to do is go to stories. And if you want this to be sitting on your own domain, you actually have the option of adding your domain, but that is optional because these stories, you are going to be able to host them on StoryPal Reloaded without having to add your own domain. So you are going to see the stories that have been previously created. To add a new one, just click on Add Story. And then we have the option of creating a story from scratch using the custom option. We can also create a story from website URL by just inserting the website link. You can create stories from RSS. You can also create stories from the templates provided inside of StoryPal Reloaded. But let's just go ahead and create a custom story from the scratch. You're going to have story pages and layers inside the page. So let's add our first layer by clicking on Add Layer. And this can be heading, text, background, image, video, and so on. So let's just add a background image by selecting image. And then we can go to layer option to choose our image. We can choose image, we can upload, we can use the existing images, we can get image from URL, from camera, and from StoryPal. Let's search for beach background. Let's just hit search, and it's going to go and fetch the images for us. So let's just select this one and say okay. So our image has been added. We can just easily go ahead and stretch our image to cover the background. So we have our image, and we can go and add other layer. Let's click on add layer. Let's add heading, and we can easily also come and customize this. Let's say StoryPal reloaded review, and then we can easily come and customize this. We can change our fonts. Let's change it to something else. Okay, we can also change our background color. Let's select this and say okay, and then we can also increase or reduce our font size, and then we can go to spacing and borders. Let's add letter spacing, and also let's add line height. Let's make it 3.5, and then we can come and drag this. So here we go. And also we can easily come and change our border to give it the kind of border we want. Let's make it this one, and let's reduce this a little bit. Let's go and change our font color to black. Okay. So there are so many options for you to customize this. Let's go to animation to give it an animation effect. Right now there's no animation, so let's make it fly in from top, and also you can modify the animation duration here. Let's make it 3.5, and yeah, that's it. We can also go and add other layers. Let's also click on add layer, and then let's add a link button. So let's go to layer options. Let's get a URL, so anyone that clicks on the link will be taken to that URL. Let me just go and get my bonus page URL and paste it there. And then we can also customize our button. Let's say click here, and then we also have options here on how our button is going to look. Let's make this a little bit deep, and let's choose our background, the background we want to use. We can even use just a single color background here. Let's select this color. Okay, let's select red, and there are also other options. Let's go to spacing and borders, and then we can give it a border radius, and then make the edges of the button, let's make the edges round. Okay, border size. Okay, so once we are done with that, we can create even yet another page, but let's still even add another layer here, and then let's look for an image. Let's go to layer options. Let's select from the image that we have on StoryPal reloaded already. Some of the uploaded images. Let's select this one and say OK. So let's just put this somewhere. Where do we put this? Let's put this somewhere here. And then we can go to options and go and drag this. So let's just put this here. And move it around a little bit. Okay, so we have something like that. Let's also give it an effect. Let's give it an animation and make it flying from bottom. Let's delay the animation 2 seconds and the duration 3 seconds. And then we can even still come and add yet another page. So to add another page, we just come and click on add story page, and then let's make it custom also. Let's add a layer. Let's put an image there. Let's go to layer options. Let's choose image. Let's select from one of the images on StoryPal reloaded already and say OK. And then let's cover our page. So here we go. And then we can easily also come and add another layer. Heading. And then we can also come and customize this. I'm going to layer options and say let's get started. You can give it an effect. Let's make it flying from top. You can also customize this. So once we are fine, we can just come and save it. But before saving, we need to add our information. So you go to general, go to general information, and let's give this story a title. Let's give it the review story, and the publisher, or the publisher name, and then you want to select the URL for your story. So we're going to select the URL we created, and also story description, which is good for SEO. Let's just copy this and come and paste it here. Okay, so we just pasted it, and also publisher logo and portrait. Let's just select from some of the images here. Let's use this as logo, and let's also select a portrait. Let's use the one of the existing images. Okay, let's just use this. No, let's use another one. Let's use this as a portrait and say okay. And then once you've added that, you can come and click on save. And as you can see, our story has been saved. If you want to preview it, we just click on this button here. And also, if anyone clicks on this, it's actually going to take them to the link, that's the URL where we've set to take them to. As you can see, it has taken us to the URL, and let's just continue with our preview once again. Let's check this out to see how it looks. So that's how easy it is to create a story. So we can also share this story across the internet. Let's go to my stories, and let's check out this story right here. So here we go. This is our story here. We can easily come and grab the embed link. Let's click on more options. Let's click on share. And you can send this as an email. You can also come and grab an embed code right here. So let's just copy the embed code right here, and I'll just go to my WordPress website. So this is what this website looks right now. This is a post on the website. So I'm just going to go and we can even add it in the post or make it show up on every post if we add it as a widget here on the side. So let's just go to widgets, and let's go to custom HTML. I'm just going to go and put this here, and then let's give it a title, StoryPal review, and then let's paste it here. So this is a WordPress website. I just created the widget and I just saved this. Click on done. So if I come and check out this page now, our story is actually showing up on the page. So this is going to load up on every single page, every single post that someone is viewing on this website. If you want, you can also make it show up on the post. So that is exactly how to use StoryPal Reloaded. You can also share this on social media. You can just get the link and go and share on any social media platform that you want. So right now, I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I've carefully prepared for you to ensure you get the best out of StoryPal Reloaded. This product launches on the 26th of April by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you a premium video training that actually shows you the secret of making money promoting a ClickBank affiliate product. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you access to my cloud-based Instagram traffic tool that allows you to drive free traffic from Instagram. This allows you to connect multiple Instagram accounts and also allows you to post to these Instagram accounts from this cloud-based software. You are also going to be able to repost viral content from other Instagram users. You're going to be able to copy trending hashtags, which is going to guarantee high quality traffic for you. And this way you can actually send traffic to your website and to your StoryPal reloaded stories. Also, bonus number 3, you are going to be getting a premium PDF that shows you how to drive high quality traffic from 3 different traffic sources. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting a premium video training that shows you how to rank your videos on YouTube and get maximum exposure and traffic from YouTube. And also, bonus number 5, you are going to be getting all the vendor bonuses also, and there's a ton of bonuses you are also going to be getting from the vendor. These bonuses are going to be waiting for you inside the members area of StoryPal Reloaded. So what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this page. If you click on any of the blue buttons on this page, it's going to take you to the sales page of StoryPal Reloaded, which looks like this. And here it says the world's first ever complete Google AMP Stories app. Get massive engagement, free viral traffic, and bank easy profits with this brand new software that makes it easy to create Instagram-like tappable stories for the web. So come check out this video presentation also. And here it shows the features. You get to create stories and get it indexed on Google instantly, which means free organic traffic for you. It's powered by Google's AMP story technology for easy search engine rankings. So that ensures you get tons of free traffic. Also, no website or hosting required with StoryPal. You get huge demands for website stories over scrolling articles. So people prefer to engage with stories instead of scrolling through articles. You also get access to fully customizable CTAs with your stories. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about this. Step 1, you log in to the cloud-based software because there's nothing to install. You can go ahead and create from templates, create from scratch, create from website URL and so on. You can customize and then you can publish. So feel free, come check out this sales page to get full information about StoryPal Reloaded. So right now I'm going to be showing you the pricing and the optional upgrades that come with StoryPal Reloaded. So the front end actually goes for $37, and there are some optional upgrades. The first one is the StoryPal Pro that goes for $67. This upgrade unlocks professional and advanced features, giving you the ability to do more with StoryPal. You get access to story analytics, email story stats, weekly standalone story blogs, custom menus and sidebars. You can add tracking pixels, bookend call to action, and you can also unlock unlimited stories. Also, upsell number 2 is the deluxe upgrade that goes for $97, and this also has all these features. You get access to 10 new premium templates added monthly. You get to accept external ads within your stories, and also all these additional features. And also the third optional upgrade is the white label right that goes for $197, and you get to create stories for clients, and you get to put this on up to 100 custom domains. So those are the optional upgrades that come with StoryPal Reloaded. So that's going to be my review for StoryPal Reloaded. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and bye for now.